techTongBo is located in Nanjing, the capital city of Jiangsu Province, close to Shanghai, 300 kilometers away. The company is situated near the Nanjing Lukou International Airport and the Nanjing High-Speed Railway Station. With the Beijing-Shanghai and Shanghai-Nanjing expressways running through the city, making transportation very convenient. After years of market baptism and the joint efforts of the techTongBo team, the company has developed into a production enterprise dedicated to providing high-performance and cost-effective household cleaning equipment accessories and consumables. It specializes in providing compatible products for mainstream cleaning equipment brands such as Philips, Dyson, Ecovacs, Xiaomi Mi Jia, Roborock, eufy, Rowenta, etc. In order to meet the diversified product needs of global customers, our manufacturing plants, Suzhou Longbua and Suzhou Tongbua, are equipped with several complete production lines and have established experienced production management teams. The production staff at the Suzhou base is over 200, and the equipment includes 16 sets of integrated injection molding machines, which can produce up to 80,000 brushes for vacuum robots in a single day, and 16 sets of multifunctional hair planting machines, which can complete the hair planting work of 30,000 brushes in a single day. The fully automatic laminating machine will process fabrics of different materials in one go, together with 20 ultrasonic sealing machines to ensure that the dust bags can not only filter air efficiently, but also be strong and durable. With a maximum mass production of 150,000 dust bags in a single day, the production of wiping cloths is also efficient, with a maximum capacity of up to 50,000 pieces per day, by ordering the specified fabric needed by the customer and using automated machines to cut and skilled workers to assist in processing according to the customer's needs. From design and development to production and sales, we pay attention to every detail. The production process strictly adheres to international standards, and strict quality inspections are conducted before the products leave the factory. We also have professional sales and service staff to answer any questions customers may have during the entire cooperation process. We track the entire shipping process to ensure that satisfactory products are delivered to customers within the agreed time. Thanks to our dedicated work attitude, techTongBo has cooperated with more than 280 small and medium-sized enterprises in various countries and regions worldwide, and has received unanimous recognition from customers at home and abroad. We are constantly adapting to the new demands of the market. techTongBo believes that in the future, we will work with more customers to create a better tomorrow.